In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with eBay. Establishing a seamless link between these two platforms can significantly improve the efficiency of your e-commerce operations and help broaden your market reach. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to take to make this happen. To start, you'll want to locate the Apps section within your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll find this option conveniently placed on the left-hand panel of your main interface. Clicking on it will take you to the Shopify App Store, home to a multitude of integrations that can enhance your store's functionality. Once you're in the App Store, simply type eBay into the search bar. This will bring up a selection of relevant applications designed to facilitate the connection between your Shopify store and your eBay account. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're focusing on installing the official eBay app developed by Shopify itself, as it's specifically optimized for this integration. Clicking on the eBay app will bring up more detailed information about the app and its features. You'll find instructions on its capabilities and how it will streamline your sales process across both platforms. With confidence in the product, go ahead and click on Install App. This straightforward step not only sets up the app on your Shopify dashboard, but also initiates the linking process between your store and eBay. After the app has been successfully installed, it's time to connect your eBay account. Initially, it may prompt you to log into your eBay account if you aren't already. Whether you're creating new listings or importing existing ones, it's essential to ensure that your eBay credentials are correctly integrated with the Shopify app. This connection facilitates the automatic synchronization of inventory and sales data, efficiently reducing the manual work required to keep both platforms updated. Once the login process is complete, your Shopify store should now be connected to your eBay account. You'll find that your products can be easily managed right from your Shopify dashboard, with options to create eBay listings directly from your existing Shopify inventory. This integration allows you to reach millions of eBay customers while maintaining control of your e-commerce business entirely from the Shopify platform. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Shopify with eBay, giving your business an edge in the competitive world of online retail. This streamlined setup will save you time, reduce errors, and ultimately help increase your sales potential. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!